In this video tutorial, I'm just going to walk you through how to use an existing website in English and translate all the content. It's quite easy, it's not actually that difficult. I'll just take you through the steps very briefly. First of all, you need to log in. So you'll be presented with the login page and you just put in your username and password. And once you're logged in, you'll be at the control panel. The main thing to do once you're logged in is just check that the content management system Joomla is up to date. So click on components and Joomla update. There we go. And as you can see, it's all up to date. The next thing you need to do is update the extensions. So we go to extensions, manage, update, and everything's up to date. If you do the updates and the website stops working, don't worry, we have a backup. We take backups of the websites on the server every morning between midnight and 7 AM. So very briefly now, we're just going to look at the website and you'll see the menu at the top is all in English. So to access the menu, we go back to the control panel, the admin area, and click on menu and then main menu. And to provide a translation, you simply click on whichever item you want to edit. So for the example, home. And we know that the translation for this in the language that we're going to choose is Icelandic, and I've already created a copy of this. I'm not even going to try and pronounce that. And what we also need to do is remove the alias, because this is automatically generated when we save the file. So we click save and switch back to the website for a moment and just do a refresh, and you can see that the menu is updated. And we can just continue doing this in the control panel for all the other elements. So the next thing that needs to be edited is the content. So for example, we'll go back to the website and you can see we have all the content here that needs translating. Now this, for example, is a module, and so is this here. But further down we have content, but there's no content there right now, of course. And you'll see here there's a module at the right that says cart. So I know that this is a module located in the position, if I recall, top. So I'm going to go back to the administration area and come away from menus and click extensions, modules. You see we've got quite a few modules there that are unpublished. I'm going to get rid of those because they're just a distraction. We don't need them just now. So I'll put those in the trash. And you'll see here we've got two modules with the same title. One of them is in the showcase area, the other one in the utility area. And if I just open the website again briefly, I know that this is the utility area and this is the showcase area. So I'm just going to edit the one in the utility area, and if I open that, you can see it immediately opens up an editor for me. I can just triple click that text and put my own text in there just to show, and then click save and close. I'm just going to switch back to the website for a moment and refresh, and you can see it's updated the module. And the same here. However, this module contains two buttons. This first button simply takes people to this page. Once we've updated the menu and translated it, we'll know what that link should contain. And the same for the cart and the checkout. So that could be left for now. The main thing is the excursions themselves. So I want to edit that menu item first. So I'm going to go to menu item, excursions, and just change that to the Icelandic, and then remove the alias. Remember, the alias is generated automatically, and it's already linking to the correct item, so save and close. Go back to the website, and you'll see it's updated on the website. So now if I click this, it opens up the excursions, and you can see it says boat trips there. So I'm going to change that to the Icelandic. So we just go back to the control panel. Now we're into the shopping cart component, so we need to click on components, eShop, and we're changing a category, so we just click on catalog and then categories, and you can see there's only one category there at the moment. Open that up, we change the name, get rid of the alias. Remember, the alias is generated automatically, and I think in data, oh no, that's for products. In data we need to change that as well. The description I always leave blank. However, there's no harm in putting a meta keyword in there. Good for optimization. Save and close. And just to check, I'm going to check on the website, refresh, and we can see it's actually changed. So if I click on that category now, we're into the products for that category, and as you can see, all in English. So we need to change all this. Again, we just go back to the control panel, catalog and products, and as you can see there's only one product, which is the product on the website. And to edit that, I simply click on the item, highlight the text I want to change, and I apologize, I'm using Google Translate here, so it might not be really accurate. Again, the alias is automatically generated, and the data in product needs to be changed as well. This is the SKU for the product, the unique identifier. You cannot have two products with the same SKU. This helps when people are placing orders and you're processing orders later. So if we go back to general, you can see we have a short description there, a long description, we have the days available, the duration, and the additional information, and transport. All of this needs to be translated, and I'll show you where it appears on the website. So if we open the website and we go into this product, you can see here we have description, days available, duration, additional information, and transport. All of that needs to be translated, and in the control panel in the shopping cart we just translate that right there. I hope that's been of some use. There are other tutorials about editing a product and editing the images, and I'm going to provide those as a separate link for you.